In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete your FundedNext account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to FundedNext.com. I'll also put a direct link down in the description for you to click on. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the right hand page or side to go up to the login page, where you'll be able to sign in using your email address and password. You can also down here sign in using your Google ID or your LinkedIn ID if you want to do that, or if you signed up for your account using one of these. Once you're logged in and inside of a dashboard, it should look something like this right here. From here you'll need to go over to the left hand corner and go over to the menu and then go down to ticket down here. Once you're down here, you'll be able to see all of your specific tickets, and then from here there should be this little icon down in the right hand corner, and from here you'll simply need to go over and click on your chat here, and then from here you'll just need to choose either futures or CFDs, and then from here you'll need to go down and click I want to delete my account, and then just click send, and then the process will automatically go through. It'll ask you if you're sure, and then you'll just need to say yes, and then from here the deletion process will typically take amongst 6 to 7 business days. Once those days are done, you'll get an email from FundedNext saying that your account has been successfully deleted. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!